Hello guys, we are back with another video, and today we're going to show you where my dad got from Amazon.
Open it up. It's in this weird packaging. I just pulled that bit. The tab, yeah? Or maybe, yeah.
Yeah, the tab is
Open here, it says clearly. So this is going to be helpful with... Haha!
It's summer now, and
It's summer now, and the bills are massive now.
yeah.
Which are going to be even bigger. So up to 15 meters Vileda Cordomatic retractable clothesline. And this is what you get in it. You get this retractable thing with wire you kind of pull out, and you've got this the raw plugs fitting instructions. You can have a hook for with a cord attached to the other side of your garden or whatever, and yeah, 50 meter line. So it looks pretty good. So should we open it, check it out?
Yeah.
So this is because, you know, we've had one before, those kind of spiral ones with a pole in the middle. Always got in the way, didn't it, of your football and stuff. Or things you want to do in the garden. We've got a big badminton net out at the moment, which is a review on. That's not very good. Okay, so this is it.
That's good.
It's cool. It's like on a cord.
You have to drill it to the wall.
Yeah, fix it wall. This is going to be fixed to the wall here. So you have to kind of measure up, drill holes in the wall.
Let's see.
And
how long does it go up to?
To 15 meters. And this is like, what is it? How do you describe that? Plasticky cord.
Yeah.
It's pretty solid. I'm sure if you went too far with it.
But you can move it.
Yeah, you can move it.
But how are you going to keep it in place?
No, because it's fixed and then you pull it and then you can have different angles. Quite clever. So you can have like on this wall here, it can be pointing literally 90 degrees or different angles. So we're thinking about doing it from the garage, kind of the door frame or the gate, the back gate door thing to the thingy. Yeah, so it's quite clever. It's not much to show here. I'm not sure exactly what's going on with that bit underneath. Oh right, okay, so I think once you've done it, you lock it round. So you put it round here. So it locks in place. So it locks in place basically. It goes around this bottom bit, so it locks in place. Basically. So yeah, we'll just, because once you don't want to carry going slack, so you need to lock the bottom end round here once you've done it.
That's cool.
So once you pull it all the way across.
What?
A clothesline for drying the clothes outside. So we're going to just have a go and see what happens. We'll rig up and go and see what happens.
Okay.
Yeah?
That's a hook, so is it to hook?
The hook the other end, so this, the idea is...
So do you have to drill again?
Yeah, but not high up like the cameras. Do another video on that, the cameras. Okay, so this will be at the other end, and this will be at the one end. This will be the other end. Then this will be fixed in the wood there, and it will just hold.
Yeah.
And then it'll be a lot longer than that. Hold your clothes.
That's good. Is it longer than your receiver thingy? Do you know the one that it's for like the chain, not the leaf cutter and stuff like that?
Yeah. I think so.
That's good then, because that's long as well. It goes round all the way.
I know.
So that must be long.
Yeah. So we'll just. Oh yeah, it's quite. Yeah, it'll go right long far, but we don't need that far, I don't think. So just across the garden.
Yeah.
So we're going to do a video showing you once we've done it, probably not while we're doing it, and how to install it, how we found it. But it should be okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll do a video later. Maybe later on this one to show you what it looks like and what it's like.
That's for hanging clothes.
Hanging clothes, yeah, it's hanging clothes, darling. And Vileda is quite a good brand. It wasn't expensive either. I'm just going to try and look up the price. I'll try and put a link down in the description. Right, so we finished it then.
Yeah.
Wait, we had one of those.
The round one, the spirally one, yeah.
But when then we took it away, why?
Because it's in the way of everything. I'm just selling them, telling everyone in the video. So should we finish then?
Yeah. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.
Bye bye.
guys, we are back and we have set up the washing line. We put it on a wall on our
Just the wall, the house wall.
Yeah. And then we put it to the other end.
So just put use a normal kind of drill with a masonry drill bit in. It's a bit smaller, so I have to jiggle it around the hole to make it a bit longer, a bit wider. Hammer to hammer it in, extension lead. Pretty straightforward stuff, and we've got just a basically simple screwdriver. So 2 screws there, just lined up. Wasn't perfect, so there's a bit of a tilt. It's not exactly straight. You see, it's a bit of a tilt. You see the wall? It's a bit of a tilt, but it's not a problem. Yeah, I put a bit of sellotape, a bit of your brother's sock tape he's using for football. It's quite like, it's like kind of electrician's tape. So that's plasticky there. Wait 1 second. We've got some clothes already hanging on, and this is the way you can see it's here. So this covers it because the hole's quite good. I don't want bugs and lots of spiders and stuff getting in there. You'll have to probably brush it off to keep it good. So because the hole's quite big here, so I don't know why I said it'd be so big.
And also the last
washing line we had.
The last washing line we had, spiders were like.
Oh no. So this is going across the garden. If I show you, goes right across there to the other side. We've got a badminton net up, which is a bit rubbish. I think we've done a review of that. Where are you? You there, yeah?
Yeah.
So we go across. So we go across here.
It's bad, yeah.
Under there. Wash the line. Come on. And we've got the clothes hanging up here. And all I did was another one. Just got into the brick here. Just another. They gave you 3 raw plugs in there. It shows in the first part of the video, and there's a hook. And if I try and detach that, drop in the hole all the clothes, so you're just basically there. Where are you?
Yeah.
Come over here. What are you doing? We're part of the video. So that's a hook, and it just goes on. No, it's okay. It just attaches.
Is it hard to? So I'll do it.
On there. Got it. So there, basically, raw plug in there. Again, use a drill. Same raw plug as it was used for the other end.
We've done
it does
many drilling.
bow down a bit, but it's actually all right.
It has to do though. It's not like it works.
I would strongly recommend.
Yeah.
Strongly advise to get this, because especially with the prices of
also
electricity and gas prices going up, you need this. We do have a dryer, which I have a review of as well. The old dryer, but we've got a new one, didn't we? Do a review of that, but.
Daddy, hello.
Hello, darling. Okay. So now we've got this while the weather's really nice and hot, and we've kind of missed it for a few weeks plus. We hopefully we're still nice. Just hang our clothes out and then just dry them. It's probably dry quite quickly because a little bit of a breeze.
Yeah.
I mean, this one's already feeling
it's a warm breeze.
a bit dry already. Warm breeze, yeah. So that's it. Yeah. So it's So I think it's pretty good. You do have to, if you just, one thing you have to do is once you pull it out, you have to wrap it around here because it keeps it taut. Well, yeah, just flop, it just drops right down. But it's pretty rigid. You don't want to force it too much. It doesn't have to hang perfectly taut because it won't, because of the weight of the clothes.
Do you know what would have been better?
Yeah.
If that doesn't like turn and stuff.
Why?
Because if you put that straight, it would have been even tighter.
It would tight, yeah, but you need it for flexibility in terms of the angles that you need on it, because otherwise it's probably put too much strain on this. Put too much strain on this bit.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's pretty good. This is about just under one load because you've got some clothes drying inside. That's your football gear. I'll probably put that out as well, actually. But we haven't got any clips because the old, that kind of circular one with the pole that we had looks like a web. Yeah, the one we had before we put in the garage, didn't we? So
yeah.
I don't know where we put the pegs, so we'll probably get some pegs of Amazon. They won't be hopefully won't be that expensive. And just clip them in place, stop them from dropping off, because when it gets breezier it's better. Isn't it? Breezy days mean, are you in the video or just with video today or what?
Wow.
Breezy days mean the things dry quicker, but the clothes are more like to fly off, so we don't want that because it's quite dry and dusty.
I don't think we have the.
So I don't know where they've gone. We'll have to get some from Amazon. We'll buy some more.
Yeah.
Probably get Amazon and get them from Amazon, George or something like that. But probably Amazon, I'd imagine. Right. Okay. Shall we finish the video then? So this is well worth it. Definitely well worth it.
What's it
it's
called?
only about £18 to £20.
What's it called?
Vileda Cordomatic. Here you go, Cordomatic. That's what you're looking for on Amazon. It's a good deal. pretty easy spot. If I can put it up, I'm DIY why they're not brilliant.
Even if you
So
have
if I can put it up, anyone can put it up. You just need a drill and a masonry drill bit, and
even if you have a dry, there's no point in like using it if it's hot weather outside.
Yeah, dry. Yeah, for the time being. Then probably dry more winter thing, but you probably ideally have dry days in the winter. You can hang it up as well. Anyway, should we finish?
Yeah. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Peace.